think we're good now. Alright, Giant Dad. Did I update you with what we're gonna do today or no? I also gotta go through a ton of DMs, applicant stuff too. So, there's, I guess, really 3 things I want to work on. One, I want to set up our first, like, enemy NPC to, like, initiate a battle. 2, I want to get the combat to actually work, so, like, the buttons or whatever. So, I guess you gotta pull up the stream here first. Oh, let's wait for you. Let me know when you can see the screen. Actually, I gotta message Haunted. What's the status is on the staff? Because I'd really like to get him working on UI. How is it coming along? I think the what's the word I'm looking for? Like not the VFX. What is it called? Like the sound effects guy should be working with Haunted. I think, right? So that's kind of my idea. Kind of the idea. Anyways. Yeah, let me know when you're in here, Giant Dad. I saw clean up the place while I wait. So yeah, we could start with either setting up our first like enemy, or we could start with making pass work, or we could start with making swap work. No, that's the last thing we're doing, Splash. We need to set up everything to make it so the spell animations work. I mean, I guess we could have just made a spell and have it like what's it called in a Wiz in the house where it like a spell we could have done that, but it's more productive for the team to actually get the foundation set up, you know what I mean? So once the foundation is set up, then we'll worry about spells. We already know what the first 2 are gonna be for a while, obviously. Anyway, Giant Dad, which one do you want to start with today? First enemy, pass, or I think we should get the first enemy. First enemy. Because if we do that, then I don't have to do that stupid double screen shit that I really don't like. So let's get our first enemy set up today. So I'm assuming we'd either need to link that to our collision or have collision on them to initiate combat, right? Now that I think about it, if it is just collision, why does Wiz have their collision boxes fucking like the size of Jupiter, bro? You still gotta test 2 screens for multiplayer? I mean, this is just me fighting an NPC though. Like, we don't need multiplayer for that. Not yet. NPCs gotta be replicated too. I think you can play a 1-window client though. I don't understand what you mean. Why can't we just make an enemy to get it working for now? Hi Cube, how are you? Like, why can't... Okay, fine, I'll just shut the fuck up. Create child of the main character. Really? Okay, so how are you doing, Cube? Base AI. How do I make a child again? How do I make a child again? Okay, damn. Alright. Where the fuck is it? Dupe? Oh wait, right here. Okay, BP base AI. Okay, then I logged onto Wiz for the first time in a year. Made me sad. I don't want to play anymore. Yeah, no, I get it. I'm in the same boat. You know, I was talking to someone earlier today in my comment section, and they were talking about how sad Wiz is. Like, the community is just so fucking divided because of the community managers. I don't know, I can maybe make that into like a short or something, because it is really, really sad to see how divided the community is. Like, things should not be like this. Alright, Giant Dad, we got him in. Now what do you want to do? Just plop him down? Hmm. Let me give him a model real quick. How do I do this? Skeletal mesh. Must be this one, right? Would it be that one? I don't know. Sure, I guess. Pawn. Where the fuck do you see pawn? Parent class. Yes. Create a new blueprint of AI controller class. AIC. AI. Oh my goodness. Okay. I need to put some tunes on, by the way. Hi, Anthony. Yo, chat, somebody send me like a chill playlist. The last lo-fi playlist I played was like really depressing. I didn't really like that. Let's just do this. Fuck it. Okay. I need to organize this better, Giant Dad. I am going to make some folders in here. What is this? I'm not gonna question it. It's just has to load. I don't need this here. I don't know why this is here. Should I make a separate folder for like the enemy AIs or whatever? Hi, Buzz. That's up to you. I don't mind. Like, should I make it a folder in here, or like a whole separate being Granddad? Probably a folder in here, since it's a child, right? In there. Yeah, that's what I figured. What do I call this folder? Enemy AI, I guess. I don't know. Hell yeah. So I'll put this guy in here, this guy in here. And this stuff is part of our main character, so we'll leave this all in here. Okay, create a new blueprint of AI controller class. AI, what the fuck? AI. There's no controller. Where do you see this? A new... Oh my god. Create a new blueprint of AI controller class. Like this? Blueprint class? All classes. AI controller. AI controller. Yeah, I'm already on it. So this one. Yeah, I get shit on Giant Dad. Look at that, I got it. AIC. AIC. This. Okay. Uh-oh. Then I'll put this in enemy. Perfect. Staying organized, Liam. Good stuff. Yeah, Bizzle, I need to check out that stuff. I'm basically doing this because we haven't done it in a couple of days, and we're working on like one giant video summarizing everything and just giving people the general idea on what's gonna, well, obviously we're not gonna have the art done, but the gameplay to look like, you know. I already recorded and edited the audio. Oh, yeah. Then AIC do this. Event on possess. Trying to, why the fuck are we possessing people? I didn't sign up for this, bro. We're gonna possess people in our game? Honestly, that might be like a cool mechanic, actually. I'm gonna write that. I actually like that. I'm gonna write that down. That's a good idea, right? That possess mechanic. I don't know what the fuck that'd be, but okay. Okay, then base AI, create a variable, BHT with instance edit, okay. Let's, then base AI. Base AI. Contracts. What is a base AI? Event on possess. I guess make a custom event. Event on possess. And then make an input for possessed pawn. And then what kind of blue is that? Is that... Dude, what? Well, where the fuck are you seeing that? We'll need to begin playing event took. Try override. On possess. Event on possess. Okay, got it. That's actually so fucking. I don't even know. That's just funny. Possessing motherfuckers, bro. Pass to. Okay, there we go. Why does yours look different now? Or I guess I only need the bottom part, maybe. Okay, I need BHT. Create a variable. Okay. BHT. With instance edit. Oh god. AI. Is it this one? It must be that. Okay, so get that. Okay, something's not right here. I need to add an input to this, maybe? No. What the fuck? Is it this? Instance editable? What the fuck, Giant Dad? There's no input for this motherfucker. PHT set. You don't have set though. You have target. What the fuck? This. And base AI create. Okay, so I'm in the wrong place. Base. No, this is the right place. Am I not? Oh, wait. I need to move this guy over here. There we go. What the fuck is this? Where's my event graph? Huh? Oh. Okay. Create a variable, BHT. With instance edit of behavior tree type. And then I assign this to AI. Probably this. Instance editable. With an instant edit of behavior tree type. How do I do of behavior tree type? Run behavior tree. Okay, so I have this instance editable. Wait. Behave, is it this? Enter, is this it? Of behavior tree type. Behavior tree. Type. Object reference. if I just click on this? I don't think that did anything, Granddad. I don't see no... Oh. Okay. What does this do? Bro, I'm so confused. What the fuck is happening? I'm so confused. I made BHT, I have a behavior tree, and I clicked on it. Okay. We have this now. With instance edit. Yes. Okay. So why don't I have an input still? Create new asset behavior tree. So I can't add an input here, huh? I eat my cereal. Okay, so let's make it and don't put it here. Okay, I guess. Go here. BHT. Okay, we got it. And then I guess disconnect that. Do I need to make this this? Oh, yo, Giant Dad, look at that. Look at that. That's the first time I ever did that. See that shit? I know you saw that. I deserve a point for that one. That's my first time I ever done that. Hell yeah. Run behavior tree. I don't think we have that. Oh, it's a built-in thing. Okay, cool. That EDT asset. That goes into there. That's it. Now what? Okay, so we need to set the behavior tree. That's what we need to do. Because we're basically getting the AI, NPC, whatever, and then we're giving him a behavior tree. Just what is it? Make a behavior tree. BT base. So we're gonna swap out that behavior tree for our new one. Is that what we're gonna do? So behavior tree would be where your the NPC spells go, right? Kinda. And like if they're gonna like hunt you down or some shit. Honestly, that sounds kinda cool, bro. That sounds kinda cool. I use it to control their general behavior. So will this be like minions in a ways, like the Stormwind blades you a lot kind of thing, or not really? No, that's something else. Then what is this? You have a combat blueprint for that? Their general behavior. Don't even technically need it.
If you are
Is
making
this
better
like
trades than your opponent, you should win.
Bizzle just now followed GG's. Is this like if they roam around? Yeah. If they want to walk around randomly. I don't know if I want that yet. But I guess we'll leave it for now, maybe. No harm in us making the blueprint. Wouldn't Wiz just have the same behavior tree base for literally every NPC? Because they all do the same thing? They just copy paste the code? Yeah. I guess that's easy. They may not even use one since it's so simple. Oh, really? So what, the important one is the combat one? Well, all we need is to be able to start combat with it, because we don't have any spells ready, technically. So all we need is, like, you run into them, you fight them type shit. So, that would probably go in combat, right? Yeah, it would. So, how do you what? Behavior tree combat, right? Oh no, what did I just do? No. What? Delete, bitch. Okay. You only use the behavior tree base. Okay. Set the behavior tree. What? Set the behavior tree. DBT base. Set. Okay. Parent begin play. This should probably go up here, I would assume. Oh, hey Zazu. Set the default so it applies to all. To all what NPCs? Or whatever enemies. Okay. Don't gotta use the node. Are you sure? It kind of seems like you would need to do something here. Because when you begin play, we're gonna need code for it beginning play, I'm pretty sure. So this is begin play, and it's referencing that. So we would need the node, no? Iron. If you have the default value, so what, just disconnect it from there? Actually, let me just control, there we go. If you have the default value, it's already set. Okay. So just have it float in the abyss like this is what you want. Just have them exist. Hell yeah. Right now we're working on the, like, you know when you run into an enemy in Wiz, and that's what we're working on. I wanted to work on the pass and like swap buttons today, but then I was kind of like, I should probably get like the actual like walk into them combat fuel thing going first, you know, and then I'll worry about the buttons where we can delete this. Why the fuck did we set it then? Giant Dad, are you high? Oh wait. Well, we could have just clicked on the variable and then we didn't need the... Okay, whatever, it's fine. Probably engine diff. It's fine. I'm not mad. We just click on the variable and set it there. Okay, so whenever we add this, no matter the AI, it'll have that. Cool. Okay, so we need to go to... Go back to BT base, I think, right? Where am I? Hold on, I need to exit out of this shit. BT. Okay, so we have three things. We have the character, its behavior, I guess this is linked to the behavior, right? Yeah, okay. Right, okay, I'm understanding it. Alright, what's next? I gotta pee. I'll be back. What a nice looking kitten. Alright, on the base AI capsule. Okay, so AI capsule, this means we're messing with the collision. So like I said, Aaron, when we actually walk into the motherfucker. Alright, you know what, Giant Dad? Can we just take a moment to appreciate that I can see the future right now? I came a long ways, bro. I didn't know what a fucking node was, or a variable, or this, that. You know what I'm saying? Well, no, wow. That's crazy. He said, okay, you figure it out then. That's crazy, bro. Come on, you know what I meant, Giant Dad, you fucking asshole. Alright. Where am I going? On the base? Yeah. My point is, I like understand. Like, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Just say, it's like, is it language? Is that what the word I'm looking at? Maybe. Base AI capsule. Yeah, so here. Capsule component. On component hit, so that's when we walk into them. That's usually down here. On component hit. Okay. Cast a player. Oh, probably cast to main. Okay. Wait, I'm confused. Okay, I get this. Why are we casting to the main character on a hit though? I'll figure. I'll this ask questions later. Just get it done. Use a branch after with is player controlled. Okay. I do it so I can save the targets. Okay, it's fine. I assume object goes into hit component. Well, we can do this. I don't mind doing this. So I have is player controlled. That's a bool. Yes or no. They're going to the branch. And then this would go into here. But then where would this go? Or maybe I don't need a exec for that. Just because we need the player like to stop moving or whatever. Maybe that's fine. Target the main character. Oh, right, my bad. I did not see that. Thank you. Are we meant to be able to hear Mr. Giant? No, he's got no mic. This what makes this fun. It's like I'm talking to. It's like I'm being like schizophrenic or something. That's the fun part. Giant Dad, when are you getting a mic, bro? I think that works probably. What? BP main character does not inherit from primitive component. Would always fail. Successful with one warning. That's strange. I haven't seen that before. Dude. What? This looks right. You put the object in the hit component instead of the other actor? Oh. Okay. The main character is an actor, not a comp. Ah, right. Right. My bad. Okay, so it looks fine then. Table. Okay, so we need to get event begin play, right? Like start the combat and like the drag or whatever. I think. From here, you just add the AI to combat. Like after the branch or base AI? Would it be somewhere else? Paper tree? No, not that. AI base. I don't have code. Let me think. Okay. I'm a little confused what the difference between these two are. I think this is the... Go to battle circle, really? Okay. That would have been my last guess. Oh my god. I really wish I could have so much more control over like the way I could organize this stuff, but it's just a fucking bitch. Here we go. Like, what the fuck do you mean textures? Irony, like, that's really pissing me off. Hold on. Like, why is this even a folder? You're just being stupid. It's one like this. It's one of those fuck ass mandatory things. Oh my god! I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It's fine. Let's calm down. That's not what I want. Go to battle circle. Okay, add combatant. So it'd probably be in here. Are you in the Discord server, Lock? If you join the Discord server, then you can just contact me there, like via DMs or whatever, and we can talk about it. I have a bunch of applicants I need to go through. I just wanted to get this done because, like I said at the start of the stream, we're basically trying to make one gigantic video that summarizes everything, you know, shows off, not really gameplay, I guess maybe it's technically gameplay, but they just kind of like show the idea and like the vision, you know what I mean? So I'm just working on getting the fundamentals working for the gameplay for that video, and then we'll worry about voice actors and audio. We already got Bizzle, he's here right now. He's starting to work on some stuff, and then I think Caroline or something, I have to talk to her in the Discord. She was also interested in that, so. But yeah, I'll be doing that tonight, Locke, so I say just join the Discord and then let me know. Alright, what are we doing in Battle Circle? Add combatant. It would be in here, it'd have to be in here. You just gotta call add CM on the AI and the player. Okay. Base AI or like the actual AI? Probably the actual AI. Probably the actual AI. Do you want it to spawn a battle circle or run to the battle circle? Oh, that's a good question. That's a tough one. That's kind of important. Is that a simple? I mean, we can just do whatever for now. Whatever is more simple. I haven't thought about that yet. Wouldn't it be better to have set? I don't know. Yeah, I gotta think about that. It's simple. Go to battle circle and map for now. In map. Make a battle circle variable in the AI with instance edit. Okay. So I'm going to the AI. Battle circle variable and the oh, wrong one. Okay, so battle circle, and then what do I put in here? Map? This must be that. Instance editable, yes. Okay, done. So I probably get that. Do you need the link lock or can you figure it out? It's usually in my description in like the recent videos. Then place an AI in the world by the battle circle. Wait, did I need to drag this in now or just leave it? The battle circle variable was made. Add CM. Oh. From that battle circle. Then I have to connect the dots. So I would say true, because let's say it worked. You gotta make 2 add CMs. Really? Why? Plug main character into the first... Okay, hold on. Plug main character into the first battle circle. Okay. Second, use get self. Okay. Confused what this is. The main character is ourself, so why do we need ourself? Check turn to true for the first one. Self. Can't we just plug self? I'm thinking. Couldn't we just plug if we? Maybe not. I was thinking if we just plugged this in, it would work for both our character and the AI because it's referencing, you know, like the parent or whatever. You know what I mean? So wouldn't this do both of them or not really? Or it doesn't work like that? You can plug in multi-target. Yeah, it's probably fine. Oh, never mind, I can't plug it in. But the BC is just an input variable. What the fuck am I doing myself then? They both can't go in. Oh, add TM. Okay. Why don't I see it here? It adds the player and the AI to battle. See you later, Bizzle.
If you are making better trades than your opponent, you should win.
Yeah, it's not working. Can I not just do... No. Huh. This is strange. What if we do... that? Does that work? Or no? Oh shit. I'm gonna go into one of them. I feel like something's definitely not right here, Granddad. I feel like something's definitely off. Use AdCM place. Wait, hold on. I may have an idea. Hold on. I think I'm ahead of you. Add that, yeah? Yeah? Or no? That works. Maybe not. Okay. I'll do it your way. There we go. Why is there... Oh, error. The blueprint itself is not a battle circle, therefore target must have a connection. So I plugged that into player, probably. Oh no, what the fuck? Battle, what is this? Oh no, did I break the game, Giant Ed? Set the target and turn to false. Set the target and turn to false. Okay. Reuse the battle circle get. And just plug it in like that. Okay. That makes sense. Trying to keep it all nice and tidy. It's probably fine. Drop an AI by the battle circle. Oh, like in the game. Save all. Alright. Moment of truth, Giant Ed. Drop by the battle circle. Wait, we didn't set how we want it to work though. Or I guess we're just gonna see if it works at all, actually. Drop an AI. I just drop the blueprint class in here like this. Shouldn't we have like a mod? I guess it doesn't matter. I don't. Oh, you fucking no! I don't want a fucking camera, bitch. Fuck no, baby. Hell no. We can make a separate character and then assign him to base AI blueprint. Yeah? No? Yes? No? I don't know. What do you think? Click on the AI once it's the worlds. Okay, I have this fuck ass camera I don't want. Wait, he's named Young Bell. How did he get the name Young Bell? I don't remember doing that. Yo, that's crazy. That's actually wild. Find the battle circle variable. In here. Where the fuck am I gonna find a variable in here? Click the battle circle. Okay, hold on. Show up on the right panel. Look for the variable. Okay. Where the fuck? Okay, battle circle. Then use the eyedropper. Pick actor from scene. And click the battle circle. That will set it to that battle circle. seeing. Are you sure we're doing this right, Giant Dad? Pick actor if I'm seeing it. Why not just click on him? No. Okay, I mean, it should work if that's it. Okay. So I push. I don't want to see two screens. I hate that fucking cat. Okay, it's not here. Okay. 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 Let's see if it works or not. I have to get close to him, right? So the collision is like... Oh my fuck. Why am I the NPC? Oh wait, he's inside of me. Like, why am I the enemy? Right? Just... Yo, okay. Alright, hell yeah. That's not good. What is this stuff? His team must be wrong. Yeah, he's yapping about something. Go to base AI. Okay. Set default value of team. Default team. Just 2? Like not 1. Two, yeah. What about like Wiz side or whatever? Check that. Oh, this is making him like what class or whatever, and his HP. Okay, I got it. I guess we can just try that now. Alright. Okay, nice. Do not mess with the Wiz side default. Okay, I see. I don't think he's... Well, my pips aren't centered either. The pips in general are just fucked. I don't think he's centered though. He's definitely not centered, like on the circle, I mean. I don't know, but I mean, I guess we got it to work, like the start combat, run into him type thing. Okay, cool. Is this fuck ass camera always gonna be here? It's really, really annoying. I really don't like cameras. Just select something else. Okay, I'll put some stuff in. Also, isn't it a little odd that the icons for these don't pop up on here? Maybe it's not a big deal. I don't know. Icons for the meshes. Oh my god, wait, what the fuck is wrong with my deck, Giant Dad? That's odd. That's a new bug. There's only the round 1 that did that. Also, why the cards are backwards? When it's my turn right now, it's grayed out. but when it's his turn, like the pointer, it's like, yeah, that's strange. Okay, well, let's worry about that another time. What's our priority right now? We need to fix. I mean, maybe that is the priority actually. On the 2 ATM, no, let's try reversing the turn rules. Okay. Oh, I didn't add cards. But still though, like the countdown is grayed out on my turn. And then when it goes to his turn, it'll light up. Or no, it's not. Okay, maybe I'm fucking stupid actually. Hold on. Some cards in. Okay. Okay, so okay, yeah, no, something's bugging out when we start combat. This is a new bug because it was not doing this before. So the second we get in here, what the fuck? Okay, no, this is bugging. This is bugging hardcore. Hold on. Yeah, add cards. Lock. Cards pop up immediately, and you can see there's like 10 of them. So I'm not sure what that bug's about. I'm thinking maybe because, is it the child, maybe? Like, it's duplicating? I don't know. But I feel like it shouldn't do that. I guess all we can do is technically debug the combat, because now that we can run into someone and get the fight working, that's the first stepping stone, and then all we have to do from there is literally work on the combat and debug it. So I guess, yeah, that's all we're doing is debug mode. Hi Ty. Yeah, we're trying to get the combat to work. We just got like the collision in, so when I like walk into this guy, like pulls to the battle or whatever, but we're having a bug where our cards appear right away and like duplicate or whatever, so we gotta fix that. This is an easy fix. Okay, let's hear it. Giant Dad, why do we have so many problems with the fucking battle circle? I feel like it's always the battle circle. Are we bad, or is it one of the harder parts to do? Which one is it? Yeah, I think those. You know, I'm gonna be old for a minute. I'm going to write down everything I want to do like I'm 70 years old. Because I keep forgetting shit, and if I put it on my computer, it never gets done. So, you fucking asshole. Okay. Book. I'm gonna make anything smaller. I think those little things you put in a book. Like where the bookmarks? The bookmarks. Dude, I have another book somewhere. Is this it? Nah, maybe. Oh, it is. Okay. Again, old Zazu. Oh man, she's such a pretty cat. I love her. Okay. Na-na-na. Where the fuck am I putting this shit? I'm gonna ask my sister, do we have bookmarks? Like, what the fuck are you doing, Leon? Okay, there we go. Hey bud, what's up? You wanna come up? Give that a sniff. Thank you. To do important. One. Sorry, during time. I'm just trying not to lose stuff anymore. Okay. Easy fix. Get all BC. You got this in Battle Circle. So that's. I can strangle this fuck ass folder that nobody wants. I fucking hate you. Okay. Get all BC. Right before that, the first add combatant node in Battle Circle, make another branch. That's not even in here. All BC. Oh, it's in a different area. Hey, bud. Right before the first ad came in Battle Circle. Am I being stupid right now? Adsium. No, I'm in here. Get up in spot. Event. No, I need to go to the event graph. Sphere. Here. Okay. Is this it? Add combatant. Okay, so we had add CM and then add combatant right away. Or the sphere one. Which one do you want me to mess with? Custom base character. Right before the first add CM node in Battle Circle, make another branch. Okay, so it'd be here. Why the fuck do I need another branch? Okay, then. Oops. Make it like this, the highlighted nodes are the new ones. Get all BC. Why don't I have get all BC? Oh, because it's new. Dumbass. Okay. Get BC. Put this over here. What was asked you? You were silly. This goes to there. And I need my new branch. And this goes to what? What? You have it right there, bro? Nah, you're trolling me. Okay. Cast a character. Okay, well the issue is the false goes into add CM here. Or is that the bug? Wait, this no, that doesn't even work. What the fuck? Okay, hold now. Wait, am I just moving add CM up, Giant Dad? Just disconnect it and move it up? Almost. Just connect the false pin. Okay. Why? What is this doing down here? I don't think anybody knows. I don't think we have an answer for that one. No space. They're still popping up before and duplicating. What is this? I know why. Okay. Once we get this to work, then we can worry about getting the buttons to work, like flee, pass, swap. Ugh. The base AI is inheriting from the main character. Isn't that just what I said like 10 minutes ago? I could have swore I just said that like 10 minutes ago. I was like, yo, I think because we're borrowing this shit, it's bugging. The player and AI are supposed to inherit from base character. Right. So do we need to go to base character or go to the AI? to base character. What is this guy? BP2. Is he just... There's not even anything in here. Is it a child? Native parent class character. I don't know what that is. Go to base character. My bad. I wanted to organize this. What's the font here? 60. UI. Okay, so it's battle, movement. So UI, I'll make this like yellow. Why the fuck did this not work? Am I stupid? I think I might be. Let's make it pink. There's a UI. Go to enter battle. Okay. Attach actor to actor. Oh, this goes on for a while. Shit. Find where it spawns the UI. Add the viewport. Create hand widget, add the viewport. Set. Before that, we have our macro, attach actor to actor, spawn actor pips, make a, okay, hold on. Before this, make a branch, put is player controlled into it. Before this. Okay, and then just replug them in probably. So that should distinguish us from the AI, you think? Okay. Okay, so our cards are not duplicating anymore. This is still bugged though. Whenever it's our turn, our stuff is grayed out, like our hand. It's not supposed to be like that. And it's his turn and it's colored. Do I just go back to the add CM and redo it? The rules? Go back to base character? Okay. This code's getting long. You know, next time Temp is in here, he's the a programmer for Wizard101 or whatever. I got some questions to ask him next time he's in here. I don't know how much he could say, obviously, but got the base character. So where would this be? Enter battle. Input the turns and turn my the boozer is plugged in incorrectly. Try using the same as player controlled branch for this. Do I disconnect the mic? No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. I just plug this into here and this into here. So many fucking bills, eh? Let's try that. Okay. So it's his turn. Our cards are colored. And then our turn. Yeah, so it's still not working. It's something else. Something else. Maybe no. Strange. I'm just trying to think, has it always been this way? Or is it when we added... I should have paid attention with that. Is it when we added in the AI? It's the AI? Okay. Oh, he's T-posing now. You can test with player? Like what, 2 screen? You mean 2 screens, right? Multiplayer. Yeah. Fucking, I hate this bitch so much. Okay, number of players 2. Net mode. Client? It's client, right? Or listen. I forget which one it is. Client, I think. What the fuck is... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my Christ. Oh lord. Giant Dad. What the fuck? Okay. Holy shit. I'm gonna try the other one. Am I falling through the map? Let's go in. Okay. Well, I didn't even put... I didn't put cards in on both of the screens. Oh my god. Okay. There we go. Okay, I don't even think the round thing is working. Okay. My fucking cards aren't showing up. Okay, yeah, no, something is definitely fucking tweaking hard. It's still mad about this gibberish. I hate this fucking circle. Didn't we have this working? I'm pretty sure we did, yeah. You had to head out or what? Yeah. Okay. I mean, at least we got the collision on the guy to work, right? That's fine. From here, it's just about making the buttons work and debugging the combat, I would say. Yeah, but walk into this guy. My hand pulls up before the thing even starts. On his turn, I still have my hand. And then they'll gray out here. Yeah, they gray out here, which is the issue. That's the issue. Okay. You could try to figure out what changed it. Well, what stuff did we all touch? Let's get rid of this for now. We had, I'm just trying to like do some backtracking. We did that. Oh, I didn't add cards. Did it just work? What are you talking about? Before we changed stuff, yeah. Okay, here, his turn. Coloreds, then my turn, it'll be gray. Right, so it's not that, more backtracking. We're in Wiz turn. Enter battle. This is fine. What, the Wiz turn? I think we can fix it. Where do you think the problem is? In the widgets, maybe? Okay, that's fine. I got some applicants to go through anyways, and organizing and whatnot. I'll update our progress tab with what we did and what we need to do. Work on pass, swap, and debug combat. Okay. Save all. Okay. Cool. Well, then I also need to think about whether we want to spawn the battle circle, I think he said, or if we want to go to a battle circle. I think Wiz has you go to a battle circle, right? That's what they do. My only issue with spawning one is like, what if like you're in a weird area, you know what I mean? But at the same time, I feel like if we position the NPCs and the enemies properly, we won't have to worry about some like weird shit. Like I'm basically imagining a scenario, right, where like if there's an NPC close to a wall, like kind of close to this pillar, and I walk into him, like what if like he's in the pillar or in the wall, right? They would completely fuck up the game. So that's what I'm kind of worried about. In the future, you'll make it dynamic so it can spawn or detect the closest circle. So what, just don't worry about it for now? Okay. Sounds good. Alright, well, I'll let you go, Giant Dad. Thanks for hanging out today. I appreciate you. I need to get those some work on some stuff chat as well. And it's pretty boring. I mean, it's just probably boring for y'all too, but it gets more boring is what I mean. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Oh my Christ, that's jump scared me.